She and her husband, Robert, pleaded guilty to conspiracy and solicitation to commit murder. She was sentenced to 5 years in prison in